Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking down your connection and device. Plug into Ethernet if possible. If not, move within range and switch to 5 GHz. Close apps, stop downloads, and disable VPNs because they add hops and jitter. Run a quick speed and latency test. Cloud gaming needs consistent throughput. Aim for 20 Mbps down and under 50 ms latency. Once done, reboot the console or Xbox app so settings apply, and make a short test run in Fortnite to baseline delay. Next, dive into your router and app settings to shave milliseconds. Enable Co-S and prioritize the Xbox device, or set the Xbox apps port priority so game traffic beats background streams. Change DNS to a responsive resolver for faster name lookups, and shorten DHCP lease if your router supports it to reduce reconnection delays. Make sure the Xbox Cloud app is set to low latency or performance mode, and manually select the nearest server or region. These steps reduce routing and processing delays that show up as input. Finish by eliminating remaining causes and preparing fallback options. Power cycle your modem and router, install firmware updates, and update the Xbox app or console so fixes apply. If you still feel delay, test Fortnite Cloud on a phone tethered as a hotspot or another ISP device to isolate your home network versus provider issues. Run the Xbox network diagnostic, note jitter and packet loss, and provide those logs to your ISP. If nothing changes, switch to wired play or lower cloud quality as a last resort to reduce perceived lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.